Remakeup ta achiwi khamdaya bauping Toliru gong na khaichui ka hai bui puri naw akhawi ka chingun sampang haira akhali phafudale Jammu Kashmir li reka sangkhui khara Pakistan wi azing li khlai ngalai bam washura da Defense Minister na hang haira Lake Yangator ajo da Tangkhul Express wi bau Iknguira Shimray ina bami dalai bau ping mai sa aina nganangarumsa aja hon direct magada madi thang bui bari naw khani gong na khaichi ga hai akhawi angun sampang haira new the somwi maniza gongpom di RS ngamri lawi angun sampang haira Lui Kavanao Bingna, Tequida Bao Kami Atishuda, Zingum Tumra, RS Gamri Lawi Gatingunji, the Som Ku Jinao Jung Vashung Goho, Akawi Luing a Lam Gong Bumdi Legasana, Toliru Gong, Unkamagan Li Kaichi Gahai, Zingum Tumra da Panga Arke, Ramray Lali, Ari Lamasam Pangrangda, State Disaster Response Force We, Migala Ring and Iwi, me being that Sagjangda, Pangarog Dale, Yukrul We Aina Aya, drone team da Haira da Ajuhi drone Chichin Laga Para da Laydale. Pakistan occupied Kashmir we regional being lead Zakshida Sadakale, Pakistan na awe, Otsakwi Kashukshok Pungra da Defense Minister Rajnath Singh na Hanghaira. Pakistan occupied Kashmir ngatangkwi Kawai, Rinda Kale Mowangaina Rajnath Singh na Gahang, Gilkit Aina, Baltistan Vagashung Taran Union Territories, Jammu and Kashmir Gala Ladakwi, overall development Sampangra da Hanga. Gilkit Baltistan hi Kashmir adoshong ariri Pakistan wi azingli khalai India aina thari khangayat bamna Defense Minister Rajnath Singh na Sharia Diwas Kazibli Gahang Pakistan wi azingli khalai Jammu Kashmir li Juwi Shorkar na Zakshida Sada khalai wi saman Pakistan na Phungra gala Indian Center Shorkar na 2019 kum Article 370 Khuchi mi ghai china Jammu and Kashmir mi bingwi tungli discrimination legasachi Khuchi mi ghai na da Rajnath Singh na hanga Ukhrul District Olympic Association UDOA wi phungvu ka bangkhwai election ngaphai November Darik Tharada Shini thang Langchin Sahira UDOA wi General Body Meeting Ajahon thang Sam Food Court Ukhrul Le Bamda Association chiwi 2022 to 26 phungvu kamashung khangarongaina ka bangkhwai election commission na schedule modalities langasan haira Hangda Kalehi Ukhrul District Sports Association Zangda Kasam Ukhrul District Olympic Association wi kahangna UDOA wi President, Senior Vice President, General Secretary, Joint Secretaries, Treasurer kala Executive Member ping kapangki china Phungvu sa khawai michi Manipur Olympic Association na recognize kasa sports discipline wi member ng sa plungra la ana Gazang Association che Deputy Register of Societies Ukhrul District le Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989 wi azingli register sa kahai ng sa plungra dahanga la miba chili association wi president aina secretary na nominate kasa le plungra UTOA election we nomination form achuwi aina mishok pokhaira nomination form migasang khnawa zmiksho ngaphai direct khnina scrutiny direct phangathang salaga withdrawal direct chishat ngazin pung madiaina dangda sapaira election direct tharada shini ngshun pung akhali sara da hanga Nomination forms G. Luba Shapanganga Aina Chief Election Commissioner UDOA Maningaga Returning Officer UDOA Wili Utsa Office Winobazar Ukhrul Office Atamli Vakwibaira da Association Chiwi President Pungjan Raikhan na Bao Mishoga Manipur Wearer Makeup Kachi NGO Ligazang Northeast Sustainable Development Initiative Rongmei Naga Baptist Association na Odgasa Zingum Tara Tumrada Shini Gagashung Ajahon Tarik Magada Taruk Tang Miyon Haira Celebrating the past for a glorious future Kachi Dugui Azingli NGO Juwi Angaran Angaye Infali Kwigada Jili Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs DH Basanda Kumar Singh Damenglang Legislator Janghamlung Banmei Gala State Mission Director of Manipur Rural State Livelihood Mission Bandana Devi Atum Lavazanga Gazip Jili Ponda Damenglong Churachanpur Sinabadi Gala Imphal East District we Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission launch Sami Haira Vedis Foundation we Kangajon Zangda NASDI RNBA na Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission we Implementation Agency Sara Dahanga Organization China Manipur Assam Nagaland li Otsada Kuwung Shagatum Hangpanga Gadali Relief Kami Regasang Hagasang Kwira Kwai Sakami Capacity Building Land Rights Natural Resource Management Hikatawi Otsami Haira Dahanga NASDI RNBA hina tribal now being la kangazan kacham kangai now being li yang sangmida yari odram kangatu zingum hangmadi shika gagi chihaira NGO jina od gasawi gapa mi lag tharuk shikali wazihaira gala direct beneficiaries mi lagaka dangkai gada layajia Rida Development and Relief Department na da Zatsalaga 2021 kumwi aina Rongmei Baptist Council of Churches Infalwi aina Autonomy Sampangda non-profit organization GRA Northeast Sustainable Development Initiative Rongmei Naga Baptist Association aina NASDI RNBA da Zaddaklena Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs TH Basanta Kumar Singh Nagahang Anarida Organization Jui Maramathe Samana Ka NABARD Azim Bramji Foundation Vedis Foundation Bread for the World Germany Higatali Ngashik Laga Ot Matala Gai na Sahira da Maya Kangai Poshoga RNBA na Ot Matada Gasawivang Kala NGO Jili Shitsang Hai Wivang Ming Kalai Donor Bing Jina John Kamina da Minister Basanda Kumar Nahanga Adui Arat Damga Kwigala Pabgadali John Kavai da Tangkhul now Nagagabi Nagami Saina Hindi Dui Tangkhul di Kalat Kami Apora Langanong li Sampang Pokaira Shikshan Barangat Biat Tamkui Gahai Snagaithe Jingshang High School be retired senior Hindi teacher AS Hobinson Nagagabi Nagamis into Tangkhul into Hindi Gaho Apora Ukrul Downway bookstore Nadate Dali Sampang Dale Apora China Nagamis Hindi Twiji Tangkhulaina Kalatmida Roman script Kaje Ichum Nashi Kajin English alphabet we standard script Aina Gabimi Haidale Apora G Yormida Kalay bookstore Bingjia Christian Literature Center Student Bookstore Puredang Iwi Bookstore Violan Iwi Bookstore Winabazar Hibing Hili Wakwibaira Apora Chiwi Maramli Jungmaida Thekangai Bina contact number 841-497-4495 Ling Hanva Baira Asamwi Jorabat Li Ganja Geji Tinkani Shapanga Gada Tukui Haira Guwahati Ngalam Jorabat Police Station personnel Bina Ganjaji Pungzat Gasami Kanili Ayat Tukui Haira Ganjaji Drug Akali Pungzat Gasana Bao Mirada Police na Batuka Kuina Gala Achuwi Hina Ganja Jungmai Gapta Pungzat Gasan Tukakui Saya da Hanga Police na Gahang Tukui Gahai Chi Manipuri Ganjana da Ningwong Dale Drug Chi Manipur Vivagai na mainland Assam Vak Pungwa Wukida Zatkasana Galachi Police na Assam Meghalaya border Bamli Tukakuina da Guwahati Police we Joint Commissioner Bartha Sarati Mahandana Hanga Tukui Gahai Ganjaji Luba Gror Tharada Panga Man Shika Gadalera da Hanga Aruhan Ganja Geji Akali Luba Ting Hang Turuk Shika Aina Layada Barthana Hangsanga Ajahon Tangla Assam Police na Garbi Anglong District Li Nisha Ari Luba Gror Tharagada Wi Tukuya Arunachal Pradesh State Service Commission ABPSC Borikawi Beper Likasa case Vivang ABPSC member Bingli Otpamai na Kwisho Kwai State Cabinet na Duidak Dada Governor BD Mishra Li recommendation Mivahira ABPSC Article 317 provision invokes Sada ABPSC hi Tharngasakra Gichi Nazekhaira da Arunachal Pradesh CM Bema Kantuna Hangda ABPSC we member Mandili Otpamaina Kwisho Kwai Duidak da Hairajia Maram je CPI na yang sanghara case jiwe FIR thasang hairada kantuna hanga case jiwe aina ABPSC Deputy Secretary gala Deputy Controller of Examination daget jirang zangda mi tharat tukui haira CPI Brop Mang Maningla State Shorkar China ABPSC Secretary Jayanta Kumar Rekala Joint Secretary Suraj Gurung Lila Suspense Haira Commission Chairman Nibo Nabamva Ana Aklada Odbam Jihohaira India we currently li Hintuna Kokarum Goddess Laxmi aina Lord Kaneshawi amu Sangkhawai Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal na Prime Minister Narendra Modi li hanghaira. Kejriwal na press briefing li kahang Indonesia hi Muslim ngalai sada 85% Muslims kala 2% Hindus leya. Ka tumui lubanali Lord Kaneshwi amu zangda Indian currency lila Mahatma Gandhi wi amu ling soda Laxmi aina Kaneshwi amu zangayi ya da Kejriwal na hanga. Hindu Dharma wi vare Ganesh aina Laxmi wi amu lubanali namsanga kha ngalai hiwi lansinrin li madai maida Iknguira da Delhi CM Kejriwal na hanga. Latluida achiwi kmadaya baubing. Toliru gong na kaitui kahai bui buri nao akawi katingun sampang haira akali pafudale. Jammu Kashmir li reka sangkui khara Pakistan wi azing li khlai ngalai bam washungra da Defense Minister na hanghaira. Achiwi baw hiling changhaira baw ngana da khlai na chum saigorali ringapha gala khamahaya zimishong sasirano.